For entrepreneurship, we're going to talk about market targeting. In market targeting, you should know about market segment evaluation. For this, you should know the size and the growth of the segment, structure of the segment, and the capability of the business. For market segment selection, this is the basic entrepreneurial marketing strategies relative to the selected segment are the following. We have individual or one-on-one marketing. Segment marketing, we have two under this. We have differentiated marketing and concentrated marketing. We also have mass or undifferentiated marketing. Individual or one-on-one marketing, this is in an individual marketing of the business, it caters to the specific needs and characteristics of individual consumers. Every customer has distinct needs and wants. An example of this is like, for example, the personalized iPhone where only a few people can buy this kind of item, or customized car, or even customized laptops. For differentiated marketing, this is a strategy when a company creates campaigns that appeals to at least two market segments or target groups. For example, in this picture, which is a tennis ball, it could be used by tennis players, or you can even buy this for your dogs. An example are rubber shoes. It could be worn by women and also by men. So for concentrated marketing, this is the business produces a product that will serve a majority of the consumers but in a few target market. For example, Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce is an expensive car. We have Gucci, Hermes, or Louis Vuitton, which are also expensive bags. So only a few people can buy this kind of items. And the last one is mass marketing or undifferentiated marketing. This focuses on high sales and low prices and aims to provide products and services that will appeal to the whole market. Like for example, the things that we usually buy, toothpaste, furniture, soft drinks, and many more. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and please hit the notification button.